There's not a whole lot of information to share about this new coronavirus strain, but what researchers do know is that it's a combination of the Delta and Omicron variant. Researchers are calling it Deltacron. Deltacron. It's the newest coronavirus strain found somewhere over on an island in the Mediterranean Sea, Cyprus. Researchers say the new variant has Omicron-like genetic signatures with the Delta genomes.
Assume that you have Delta because that is the predominant strain.
At this time, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says the Delta variant is still highly contagious. It's more than 2 times as contagious as previous variants. So how is COVID spreading so fast? Doctors say the reasons why are unlimited.
Maybe it makes itself a little bit lighter so it can hang around in the air a little bit more. Or maybe it ramps up the number of receptors that it can attach to the back of your throat or to the eye mucous membrane.
With the Deltacron now circulating, the CDC says they expect new variants to emerge, but taking steps to reduce the spread of infection is key.
So you either mask or you vaccinate or you're going to keep hearing about COVID.
Dr. Larry Seemaw says the only way you're going to transmit COVID to somebody is through your respiratory secretions, aka your airways.
The secretions could get into their nose, their mouth, or in their into their eyes and transmit, but you're only going to give it to somebody through what comes out of your mouth and your nose.
Just in the United States, there's more than 60 million cases of COVID. Researchers in Cyprus say there's only been 25 cases that have been detected, but they'll have to wait to determine the impact of the strain and if there are more cases. Now, like I said in the beginning, there's not a whole lot out there just yet about Deltacron, but the variant is being closely studied to see if the strain is more contagious or if it will one-up its parents, Delta and Omicron. Live in studio, Princess Jeanne Steverson Lowry, News 15.